guys?
What's up, man?
Amy, man.
What's up, boys?
Who'd you taking pictures of? Ain't nothing to take pictures of, bro. We just having fun. The show, it's a good ass show if you ask me. We did this shit right on Eldridge. What the fuck? You're gonna send our place to the cops.
Hey, yo,
Old guy
you
sent the place to
got
the
the
cops.
megaphone. You gonna have to get them out. Get these motherfuckers out there. That's real dry. Get that hoe.
Let's get this whole fucking sideways, bro. If we got swingers in the back, we need to get this whole moving.
If you don't want to get it sideways yourself, we got someone who's gonna do it for you.
I promise.
Come on now.
What?
Toss them
Let's get
keys.
this whole sideways. Who got a car? Let's go
Toss
sideways.
them keys.
Nah, we're not racing. Nah, we're not racing. You wanna see what we're doing?
You already know all around TSP.
Yes, sir. Estoy afuera.
Then we go next time, boy, get the fuck away. You hear me? We only got 2 fucking car seats today and they weren't even spinning. What the fuck? So, we're making a goddamn pit. A goddamn pit. No cops are gonna be able to get into this hole. And I don't wanna see a goddamn soul fucking run.
Nah, he said not right. He just got it.
Nah, he shouldn't because that Undo was just like, look, I'm thinking it's an Undo, bro. Because he's not verifying himself.
Who? Oh, yeah.
Red shirt, fucking.
Okay, bro.
So he's just sitting there right behind Tab, and it looked like Tab was gonna go hit Tab.
He's focused as fuck. Hey, dude, look kind of fishy, bro.
Dude, he was staring at that fucking guy. Hey,
Somebody to go verify their dad before that man get like. Everybody stay right here. Everybody stay right here. Y'all practice good tight.
Hit the hell, man.
So that was Sunday Fun Day. That's what we got for today, and we're gonna call it a night. But see, we had a lot of fun. A lot of stuff happened, but just too long. But we cut out the best for y'all.
Thanks to everyone for watching to this point. Thanks for our support, for everybody that subscribed so far. Yeah, stay tuned for what's coming more.
Hey, you know what's up, man? Your boy Anthony. Had a pretty good day, you know, a lot of things, like my boy Tremendo said, happened. But you know, we got through it, had fun overall. That's what matters. Go content, coming soon. Stay tuned.
Sorry, from Houston, Texas. And that's all we got for now. Till next time.
All around TC, man.
Deuces.
Like and subscribe.